Hello everyone. So welcome to Shafina's earlier studio. So today we are going to explore with a different activity which comes under Montessori. No. Let's do this bag and go. Okay. So we are going to do a mystery bag activity today. What are we going to do?
Mystery bag.
Mystery bag.
Mystery bag.
So mystery bag is all about doing an activity to develop their concentration, focusing without seeing. So here we should use a blindfold, but actually I'm not gonna use it. I'm just gonna do the activity without using a blindfold because I'm not gonna see what is inside. Shall we? What is this?
Bag.
Bag. So let us do this activity because it's kind of a blindfold activity which develops their concentration, endless focus, okay, and thinking ability. What should we do? We should insert our hand inside the bag. Shall we? Okay. I'm going to take something. So I should name the material first. For example, I think I should guess it and why. Oh, okay. Wait. So I should guess it here. I think it's a building block and rectangular shape. Yes, see. Green color, and I should take the same without seeing. So that is called mystery bag, which is belongs to sense of tactile. Through touching, we do this activity. I have to go for the. Why you happy? Another same one. See, Shazan, are they same?
Yes.
Yes, say.
Yes.
Mummy, ki very good say.
Very good.
Very good, Tommy. Okay. Likewise, I should do
Good.
this.
Very good.
Good day, very good. Shall I take something else now?
Yes.
Okay, I think it's a chair. Shazan, here see. Is it a chair?
Yes. Blue.
This is not blue. It's also a green color.
Green.
Okay, so likewise, I have to go for the next chair without seeing. So the child should concentrate, focus, and do this activity. So my bag is completely packed. In that sense, I'm like trying to get the proper one here, which is not available. Shazan, can you help me to take the other chair? Not seeing. Okay. What is this?
Green chair.
Green chair. Keep both together. Keep both together. You keep together. Okay. Shazan, I have something. I believe it's your toy. Shall we see what is that? I think it's a car.
Car.
What is this color?
Red.
Okay, take it. Keep it on the table. Now let me find another car same like this. So the child has to feel the same one through their tactile sense. Okay. I got it, Shazan.
Yes.
What is this?
Blue.
Blue color car.
Blue.
Is this your car or Dati's car?
Mine.
And this is
Daddy.
Dati. What are you thinking? Okay, now I'm moving on like that to what is this, Shazan?
Flight.
Flight. And shall we take another flight? Shall I? Okay, see here. So we should like pair it without seeing. So I'm gonna take another building block, Shazan. Shall we? Yes, see two. Same.
Blue.
Blue color. Keep it on the table. Amma, you're not clapping, Mickey. Clap pannungalle. Ummi is doing well now. Say very good, Umma.
Very good.
And I took two bangers. So likewise, the child, for me it's easy actually as an I'm adult. The child should feel if it is a banger.
This is here.
Okay, keep other one also there. And Shazan, can I take something else?
Yes.
Oh, what is this?
Green pen.
Can you take another plate? Put your hand inside. Find a plate. Take a plate. Wow, you did it. Very good, Shazan.
Pink.
Pink plate. So there are two plates, two flights, two building blocks, and let me move on to another thing which is also same, but do not put sharp things inside the bag where the kids might harm themselves. Scissor, yeah. Ma, we'll do something else. Wait, will you? Can you take a peg? Can you put in hand? Take a peg. Take the same peg. Put your hand inside. Take a same peg. Very good. Same. What is this?
Same.
Peg.
Pink.
Do like this. And now take one take, only one. What is that? What is that? Uh,
Really well.
Oh my god, yes. We'll take another one, shall we? Put your hand inside. What is that? Tell me. What is that? Ah? It's a building block. So see? Very good. Clap, clap for yourself. So this is called a mystery bag where we make the child feel and find the same thing. So no, it's empty now. Empty. So we can put whatever the things which is available around us. Even one thing, no problem. They should feel it and say what is that. So where they develop their thinking ability, even guessing without seeing what is that through the sense of touching. No seeing, no hearing, no smelling, no tasting, only with the sense of tactile. So this is called mystery bag, which belongs to Montessori sensorial activity. So I believe this might develop their brain development through tactile sense. I believe you have enjoyed the activity, and for more videos like especially under Montessori method of education, keep like my videos, and especially never forget to subscribe. Shazan, come with you. Say subscribe. Ah, what is this? Say bye to everyone. Bye all say.
Bye everyone.
Look at the phone and say bye everyone.
Bye everyone.
Okay, bye. Take care.